what is this? I mean, light. Visible light.
But what if I told you that what we see as light is actually made up of many colors?
Back when I was in grade
No.
8, I thought that visible light was just one color. And turns out, I was wrong. And visible light actually has components.
I have this color pencil, and each one has distinct and different color.